Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure that everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come see us today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.